Welcome to this demonstration of the Architecture Project Management Toolkit. Today, we're exploring how to centralize your entire practice into one powerful system. If you're an architect juggling quotations, invoices, payment follow-ups, and design timelines across 5 different files, this toolkit puts all of it in one Excel workbook. I'm Olivia, and I'll be guiding you through this walkthrough. We'll look at everything from master data entry to print-ready invoices and project Gantt charts. Let's dive in. Every journey needs a map. In this workbook, that map is the Start Here tab. It ensures you and your team always know exactly where to go. Every tab is listed with a one-line description and a clickable link. No more hunting through tabs, just click and jump straight to the work you need to do. Efficiency starts with data integrity. On the Data Entry tab, you type your information once, and the entire system stays in sync. Type your firm name, client, site, area, and fee percentage once. Every other tab updates automatically, from your quotations to your final site visit logs. Keeping track of payments is critical for any firm. Let's see how the toolkit handles payment tracking and high-level dashboarding. Log a payment and it flows into the payment tracker instantly. The dashboard turns that data into a KPI view your client can see at a glance: clear, visual, and professional. When it's time to communicate costs, you need documents that look as good as your designs. That's where the print tabs come in. These tabs pull directly from your data entry. Firm name, GST splits, and fee breakdowns are all auto-filled. You can even print a receipt the moment a payment lands. Tracking your own design stages is just as important as tracking the construction. We have specialized timelines for both. Track design progress from pre-design through construction administration. Once on site, use the architect's timeline to monitor progress against your original schedule. Never guess a quote again. The toolkit includes a built-in library of material and labor rates to keep your estimates accurate. Access Pune and Mumbai market ranges for cement, steel, and labor. Plus, keep your verified contractor and supplier contacts in one centralized vendor directory. In summary, one workbook, type once. Everything stays in sync, built specifically for architects running small and mid-sized practices. Thank you for joining this demo. With the right tools, you can spend less time on spreadsheets and more time on what you love, designing great spaces.